बिस्मिल्लाहिर्रहमानिर्रहीम अस्सलाम वालेकुम। आज का हमारा टॉपिक है SST बायोकेमिस्ट्री जोन 2 टेस्ट 4 मार्च वाला और 3 मार्च वाला, जो आज हुआ था और जो कल हुआ था। फोटोसिंथेसिस टेक प्लेस इन क्लोरोप्लास्ट। नंबर 2 एंडोप्लाज्मिक रेक्टोलम फंक्शन, इसका फंक्शन है प्रोटीन ट्रांसपोर्ट। Tribacic acid donates 3 hydrogen ion. Control center of cell is the nucleus. Enzymes made up of protein. तशबीह के 5 अरकान होते हैं। ताक होना का मतलब है माहिर होना, यगाना होना। हर्फ निदा ए ओ या। ताकि निसिया का मतलब है भूल जाना। Codons is a 3 nucleotides read as mRNA. RNA contains ribose sugar. Strongest hydrogen bonding is hydrogen fluoride HF. Peptide bonds linking to amino acid. Isoelectric term refer to same number of electron. Now our neighbor is written by Chaudhry Rahmat Ali. Genes are located on chromosomes. Competitive inhibitors bind at active sites. Cellular respiration mainly occurs in mitochondria. Bacteria are classified as prokaryotes. Substance acted upon enzymes is substrate. Yeast is an example of fungi. ये रेड पे जो है ये इसके आंसर है। 6 linked gene found in 6 chromosomes. जदीदा की जमा ये आपने बताना है। Number of element in period 4 is 18. Tribacic acid is H3PO4. Electric deficient species is B2H6. Compressibility for ideal gas is 1. Insoluble hydroxide is BaOH2. Specific heat for metal is 0.16. Its weight is अपनी weight मालूम करना है। कुरान is the storytelling format aims to, इसका क्या मतलब है। नेक्स्ट है 3 मार्च को जो टेस्ट हुआ था उस वो Maximum valency of element at number 7 is 3. Maximum ionization potential at period 2 is F. Hybridization in 1,3-butadiene is sp2. pH of N by 10 HCl is 1. N is equal to 3, L is equal to 2, M is equal to -2 is possible. Arrangement possible. Type of compound is ionic and covalent. Enthalpy of exothermic reaction is negative. Van der Waals gas ideally at low pressure and high temperature. Oxidation state of CN13-butadiene is -2. Bond angle of 109.5 found in tetrahedral sp3. Kp is less than Kc. Delta N must be negative. KCl in 100 ml of 0.3 m is 0.3 moles. Density of gas MW is equal to 45 2.01 G by L. Main energy currency is ATP. Building blocks of protein is amino acid. Basic unit of life is cell. Least electron acceptor in respiration is oxygen. Final electron acceptor in photosynthesis in ADP plus. Codon consists of 3 bases. Function of lysosomes is intercellular digestion. Enzymes act as a catalyst. DNA stands for deoxyribonucleic acid. Father of genetics is Kruger-Mendel. Punnett square period predicts genetic inheritance. Antibiotic treats bacterial disease. Socratic methods relies on questioning. Non-cooperative movement is महात्मा गांधी. शगुफ़ा की बात है, मज़ाहिया बात असलूब की जमा है असालीब. हदीबा का मुआहदा हुआ काफिरों के साथ और मुरक्कबात की अक़साम है 37. थैंक्स फॉर वाचिंग.